This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reference cells in Excel. Understanding cell references is fundamental for building powerful spreadsheets. They allow your formulas to interact with data across your worksheet, making your work dynamic and efficient. Essentially, a cell reference tells Excel exactly where to find the information it needs for a calculation. We will explore the three primary types, ensuring your formulas always point to the correct data every single time. Relative references are the most common type you'll encounter. When you copy a formula containing a relative reference, like a 1, Excel automatically adjusts it based on the new cell's position. For instance, copying a formula from B1 to B2 that references a 1 will change the reference to a 2. This dynamic adjustment is incredibly useful for applying the same calculation across many rows or columns, saving you significant time. Absolute references are vital when you need a specific cell to remain fixed, no matter where you copy the formula. You create an absolute reference by adding dollar signs before both the column letter and the row number, like $1. This ensures that even if you drag the formula across 20 rows or 10 columns, it will always point back to that exact cell, making it perfect for fixed rates or constants. Mixed references offer a flexible middle ground. You can fix just the column, like $1, or just the row, like $1. This is incredibly useful for creating complex tables where you need to lock one dimension while allowing the other to change. For best practices, consider using named ranges for important cells or ranges. They make your formulas much more readable and easier to manage for anyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.